Gotta love Amazon. Jesus Christ. Actually doesn't smell. That's a fantastic thing. Welcome back to the channel. If you're rebuilding an engine or you want to clean some parts, this is what you need. Wow. I'm not sponsored by them. Went on the old computer, ordered some of this stuff on Amazon since I've heard a lot of good things about it. And man, this stuff is pretty damn good. Chem Dip carburetor parts cleaner. Most of you know what this is. It's about $29 a pop for each can, but it's so well worth it. It doesn't have a lot of smell to it, which is pretty good for the garage. You don't get there's no vapor fumes. You know, it's a nice, actually pretty good smell to it, actually. Not bad. But I want to show you, I'll get a closer shot of this, what it did for these pistons. Look how stiff they are. Dirty. And look at this now. 2 hours, tiny bit of scrubbing, and it made these pistons look brand spanking new. In fact, let's get a close-up. Look at the difference. Couple hours, hardly any scrubbing on here. It restored the aluminum back to its original and has a nice feel to it compared to the older piston that has the carbon buildup. No scraping, scrubbing, even though these don't have a lot of carbon on them, but still. Yeah, figures. Got my timer set. Look at the difference. Looks like brand new spanking pistons. Look at the old one. Still haven't done that one yet. Gonna do that next, but I want to show the comparison between the two. Yeah, quick review. Well worth it. Enough said.